Today I will show you how to implement useContext in React 19. So first we need to create a folder called context, and now I will create a context that we call it use or counter context.ts. And now I will define the interface. I will type interface counter context type. Here I will type count, that will be a number. I will type increment, this will be a function, an empty function, and I will type decrement, that will be an empty function too. So now I will define my create context, so I will type export const counter context create context. This will import it for React. I will define it with counter context type. So here I will define my value, and will be 0, increment will be empty, and decrement will be empty too. So here below I will start with my provider. So I will type export function counter provider. Here we take children, and I will define it with children react dot react now. So here I will type use type. I will need this. I will use a snippet. I will type count. This will be a number. I will divide it. Perfect. Here below I will create a function increment. Set count. I will take a preview count. And I will plus 1. Perfect. I will make the other function that will be the decrement. Const decrement. It will be the same, but it will be minus 1. Minus 1. Perfect. Now I want to return this provider, so I will type const. So I will type return context dot provider. Here I will pass the value. So I will pass count increment in decrement. Here I will type children, and I need to close this provider. The new thing that we use here below is, so here below I will type export const use counter. This will be empty. And then the new thing that we use here for React 19, it will be that I will use return use. I will use this use, but I will import it from React use. And now here I will open and here I will pass a context, and this is more helpful because this will return a default value instead of undefined value. So the use function will always use this default value if no provider is found, rather than return the undefined. So that this means you will get the default value instead of an undefined value. So for that, it's a better choice to use. So now I will import it for my main app. Okay, now I will import it here. Content provider. I will grab it. And now I will go to my app. So here I will type counts, use counter, and now here I will take count, increment, and decrement. And now I will work here and I will type on click, increment, and here decrement, on click, decrement, and I will remove this zero and I will copy this and paste here. Now you can go to the app and you can use increment and decrement. All is working. So you have to remember that this option, this use that we import here is only available for from React 19. So if you are not using React 19, you have to change here. And so if you are not using React 19, you need to change this and need to type context, use context, and here you will take counter, okay, counter, context, and here you will type if. You will type this and you have to return this context only if you are not using React 19. But if you are using React 19 with this code, it's enough. Okay. So thank you for watching this video and bye.